We are a specialized company that has supported the global plant industry based on the world's largest production infrastructure and proven manufacturing technology in the industrial pipe fitting sector. Since its establishment in 1965, Taekwang has continuously advanced its technology centered around butt weld pipe fittings, a core component of piping systems, in line with the development trends of the plant, energy, and shipbuilding industries. TK Corporation has its own multi-manufacturing processes based on cement pipe, seamless pipe, and steel plate. Through this, we produce the entire product line, including elbow, T, reducer, cap, and stub end within a single process system, ensuring the capability to accommodate sizes and specifications ranging from 2.5 inch to a maximum of 158 inches, including extra-large and ultra-thick products. This structure simultaneously meets the specification, consistency, and quality stability required in large plants and mega projects. The core technology of TK Corporation is the manufacturing technology for extra-large fittings. To respond to the trend of large-scale and high pressure in the plant industry, Taekwang has continuously advanced its technologies in mold, forming, welding, heat treatment, and dimensional control, establishing a product portfolio applicable to petrochemical refining gas plants, thermal and nuclear power generation, desalination plants, offshore structures, and the shipbuilding industry as a whole. TK Corporation possesses the capability to handle design, manufacturing, and verification in a one-stop manner in the fields of segmentable elbow, induction bend, and barred T. The segmentable elbow applies multi-stage segment design and welding technology to ensure the curvature, precision, and structural stability required for large-diameter pipelines. The induction bend maintains uniformity and durability of material properties based on high-temperature induction heating processes and is applicable across all segments of upstream, midstream, and downstream. The barred T is a high-difficulty product that requires inner diameter control and structural reinforcement design, considering intelligent pig operations, and it is custom designed to meet customer conditions based on international pressure, vessel, and piping codes. TK Corporation has secured one of the world's largest fitting production capacities based on a manufacturing site of 482,645 meters through a facility structure capable of mass-producing key items such as elbows, Ts, reducers, and caps. We achieve stable delivery times and quality, even in large EPC projects and diverse, high-volume order environments. By operating both mold type and welded type, we have established a production system that can flexibly respond to product shape, thickness, and material requirements. TK Corporation manufactures its entire lineup of butt, weld-forged, and flange fittings in-house, meeting all major international standards required for global projects, such as KS, ASME, ASTM, API, GIS, DIN, and AWO. We can also design and respond to engineering needs for special shapes, custom orders, jackets, and split products. TK Corporation operates a comprehensive quality verification system for all processes from raw material, receipt to finished product shipment. We have established comprehensive testing facilities in-house, including chemical composition analysis, mechanical property tests, and tests for high temperature, low temperature, and corrosive environments, allowing us to perform tests required by international standards such as ASME, API, and ASTM without outsourcing. This reflects Taekwang's quality philosophy, aimed at securing long-term reliability even under extreme driving conditions. TK Corporation aims to be a technical partner that designs the reliability of piping systems rather than just a supplier of products. Through transparent manufacturing processes, verifiable quality data, and continuous technological innovation, TK Corporation is chosen as a long-term partner in the global plant, energy, and shipbuilding industries. Technology that connects the flow of industry. TK Corporation, Taekwang.